Selro is a dropshipping software that offers a range of features aimed at making e-commerce easier. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll explore 12 things you need to know before buying Selro, so you can make an informed decision. Keep watching to see how it stacks up against competitors like Shopify, Oberlo, and Selho. The first thing you should know about Selro is that it supports a wide range of sales channels. You can sell on popular platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Shopify, as well as lesser known options, giving you more flexibility compared to some other tools. This integration flexibility can be a major advantage if you want to reach customers through multiple channels without managing separate inventories. Next, Selro offers an all-in-one dashboard that lets you manage orders, track inventory, and handle customer service across multiple platforms in one place. While this feature is common in dropshipping tools, Selro's user interface is especially streamlined, which makes it easier to track your business's performance. The third thing is the product sourcing capabilities. Selro lets you easily import products from suppliers, including from AliExpress, which is a significant advantage for people starting out in dropshipping. However, compared to some competitors, the product catalog on Selro may not be as vast, so if you're looking for a huge variety, it could be a drawback. Next, Selro's pricing plans are on the higher side compared to other platforms like Shopify and Oberlo. While it offers a variety of plans tailored to different levels of business, the more advanced features come at a premium. If you're just starting out, it might be worth comparing the cost against other tools that provide similar functionalities at lower prices. The fifth thing you should know is that Selro offers a mobile app, which is convenient for managing your business on the go. However, compared to some competitors, the app lacks some advanced functionalities, so it may not replace your desktop experience fully if you need to do heavy lifting. Next, Selro's customer support is robust, offering live chat, email, and a comprehensive help center. In terms of reliability, they provide decent support, but there have been reports of slow response times during high demand periods, something to keep in mind if you need immediate assistance. The seventh thing to consider is its automated order fulfillment system. This feature saves you time by automatically placing orders with suppliers, but it's not as advanced as some of the top competitors like Oberlo, which can offer more customization for fulfillment and shipping options. The eighth thing is the lack of built-in marketing tools. While Selro provides the basics, you may find yourself using external tools for things like email campaigns or social media management. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes marketing, you might want to look at alternatives like Shopify, which provides more integrated marketing features. Next, Selro's inventory management is solid, but it's not as powerful as some other tools. For example, it doesn't offer advanced forecasting tools or highly detailed reporting. If you're scaling fast and need robust analytics to manage large volumes of inventory, it may fall short in comparison. The 10th thing to know is Selro's shipping management. While the platform does offer shipping integrations, it's not as seamless as some other competitors. Some users have reported issues with syncing orders accurately, leading to potential delays or fulfillment issues. The 11th thing is that Selro's integration with third-party tools is decent, but not as extensive as Shopify or Oberlo. While you can connect your store with payment processors, email marketing tools, and a few other services, you might run into limitations if you need very specific integrations. And the 12th thing you should be aware of is that Selro offers a free trial, so you can test the platform before committing. This is a great opportunity to explore the features and see if it meets your needs. However, after the trial, the pricing can add up, especially if you need advanced features. In conclusion, Selro is a solid option for managing a dropshipping business, especially if you're looking for integration with multiple sales channels and streamlined order management. However, if you're looking for a better, more cost-effective solution, we recommend checking out our top choice that you can try for free. You might find it suits your needs better as you scale your business.